Revolutionizing the way we learn, powered by Bolt.new and Tavis.io. Type in the topic you want, and you get an interactive educational stimulation in under 3 minutes. Visualize any concept. You can regulate the parameters to observe and learn the topics in real time. Get personalized assistance on the topic from Scientist Santa. Share your screen, ask about the stimulation and get started.
Ho, ho, ho. I'd be happy to explain the stimulation on your screen. You're looking at a pendulum motion simulation, which is a great tool for understanding the physics behind a pendulum swing. Let's break it down. The simulation shows a pendulum swinging, and you can adjust things like its length, mass, and the gravity it's in. You can also change the initial angle it starts with and how much damping, or friction, it experiences.
Generate concepts from different fields, understand complex topics with ease. Prompt in to generate stimulation in 3D and view it in full screen mode. Draw diagrams, graphs, write down equations, statements on the interactive whiteboard. Share your screen with Scientist Santa. Ask about concepts and clarify your doubts with Scientist Santa.
Diagram that appears to depict the law of reflection in physics. It shows a horizontal line representing a reflective surface, a dashed line for the normal, and 2 green lines with arrows indicating incident and reflected light rays, demonstrating the principle that the angle of incidence equals the angle of reflection. Would you
share screen of your book or any tab? Q&A about the concepts.
Ho, ho, ho. Welcome to my science workshop. I'm Scientist Santa, and I'm absolutely delighted to be your science guide. What scientific topic has captured your curiosity? Sharing your screen, and it appears to be a document titled Our Environment from a Science Curriculum.
Hey everyone, I was built by Sohan Soma, the developer behind Scientist Santa's lab. We believe the most effective way to learn is through experimentation, real-world observation, and the ability to visualize concepts deeply. Unfortunately, access to physical labs remains limited for many students across the globe, making it difficult to grasp complex topics. As a result, many end up resorting to rote memorization without true understanding. Scientist Santa's experiment lab changes that. Our platform allows students to visualize any concept with personalized support. Students can interact with Scientist Santa, our AI CVI powered by Tavis.io, share your screen, ask questions, and get tailored explanations. You can use a whiteboard to sketch ideas, share your PDFs, or share browser tabs while receiving real-time guidance. This isn't just a tool, it's a movement, a step toward revolutionizing EdTech and transforming how the world learns. With Scientist Santa's lab, we're not just making concepts easier to understand, we're breaking barriers. We're making advanced learning accessible, and we're putting the power of experimentation and imagination into every student's hands. Because the future of education isn't about memorizing answers, it's about exploring, visualizing, and truly experiencing knowledge. This is just the beginning. Welcome to the future of learning. Welcome to Scientist Santa's lab.